Planning an international move to Copenhagen? Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about moving to Denmark's vibrant capital with 3 movers. Copenhagen is famous for its historic charm, delicious Nordic cuisine, and eco-friendly lifestyle. With a population of over 600,000, the city blends culture and convenience, including world-class public transport and a lively bike culture. For expats, Copenhagen offers a high standard of living, but also a higher cost of housing and daily expenses, so budgeting your move carefully is essential. Moving costs vary depending on your home's size and distance. For example, moving a 2-bedroom from Copenhagen to Singapore ranges from about $4,900 to $5,500. From Dubai to Copenhagen, expect around $3,300 to $3,700. Shipping locally within Europe, like to Switzerland or Sweden, costs significantly less, around $600 to $1,000. Full container shipping rates for a 20-foot container start at $798, while less-than-container load shipments cost about $80 per cubic meter. Ready to make your international move to Copenhagen stress-free? Contact 3 movers today for a personalized, no-obligation moving quote. Our experts will guide you every step of the way.